Hey ninjas, so this is Justin here, and he's gonna share a game with you. So, can you tell us what game are you gonna be sharing today?
I'm going to be sharing Amazing Ninja World Part 3.
Okay. Can you pull it up for us?
Okay, so this is the main screen, which is basically the main menu where it has all the buttons.
Yeah.
This is the most challenging part because it was Part 3, which is the last part. And
How do you play?
So you have level 1, level 2, and level 3. You can go each one of them, and you can hit escape to go out.
Nice.
Just play a level.
How do you move?
You can use WASD or the arrow keys.
Okay, nice. I'm assuming it's space to jump.
Yeah.
Nice. What are those crystals?
There's crystals, gems that help you go. Because if you don't collect the gems, then you can't get to the next level.
Okay.
And then these are you talk about this? What you talk about the first time? Right?
Yeah. What about the stationary crystals?
Those are checkpoints, which say that's where you last left off. That's where you'll start again if you die.
Nice. You think you could show us some of the code behind it? And then just see?
This is the main menu code, which
So what language is this?
C#.
C#, nice.
And then this is the main menu code, which helped me use the buttons. This is what I use to pick up the crystals. This is what I use to switch scenes. This is controls player. This is the checkpoint.
Nice. What was the hardest part for this project in particular?
It really was. You talk about code wise?
Yes, code wise.
Probably the main menu. Main menu? Yeah.
Nice. And what was your favorite part about this project?
I would say the main menu.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, that's a good skill to learn.
Yeah.
Now, do you have any advice for future ninjas? Any words of encouragement?
I've been going here 3 years, so don't give up. Yeah. Eventually, you'll make it like I did.
Nice.
Because I kept coming.
Well, thank you for sharing, Justin.
No problem.